easy. I will be showing you today the airsoft guns. So first we're going to start off with kisser, a spring. This is the one here. Now, reason battery. You do it in here. Here's the battery. It comes in to right here. And that's it. You guys for watching. Please subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.